Hey guys, today in this video I'm gonna unbox this triple choice Karachi'S biscuit. There are three types of biscuits in it. One is pista, chand and fruit biscuits. This is the pick of that biscuits, pure vegetarian, Karachi bakery. I'll just focus it up. And over here we get some info about Karachi bakeries, and on the back this is some nutritional information about these three biscuits. This one is pista biscuit ingredients, and this one is the chand biscuit ingredients, and this one is the fruit biscuits ingredients. So, and the cost of this is 250 rupees. For 250 rupees you will get 600 grams, and on this side nothing else, only Karachi bakery. So yeah, let's open it up. I'll just focus it up. Yeah, there are 3 packs in it. So I think this one is a fruit biscuit, this one is the pista one, and this one is the moon one. I'll just open it up. So this is the fruit biscuit. I'll just taste it. It's okay, I would say, not that great. Now let's taste the pista one. This one is nice. This one is nice. And this is the moon biscuit. I already tried this a lot. So I'll just take small piece. This one also good. So overall I would say this one is the best, and compared to this both, this one is the best, the pista one. So yeah, so that's it for now for this quick review of this triple choice Karachi biscuits. So if you like this video, then hit the like. Thanks for watching. This is Balu, and I hope to see you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, please. Bye bye.